Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. In the previous class, we learned natural sources of water, man-made sources of water, where do rivers originate, water pollution, causes of water pollution. And now, we are going to study soluble things and insoluble things. And you saw in this picture that as the river flowed through or near many villages, towns and cities, the water changed. The people used the river water for many different things such as washing clothes, bathing animals and cleaning utensils. And they dumped the waste into the river water. Many of these activities made the water dirty. The water in the river kept changing as it is flowed through various places. Water in ponds and lakes can also become dirty due to similar reasons. Water pollution happens when toxic substances enter water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and so on, getting dissolved in them, lying suspended in the water, or depositing on the beds. This degrades the quality of water. So, some substances or things dissolves in water and some substances deposited in water without dissolving. Substances dissolved in water are called soluble things and substances do not dissolve in water are called insoluble things. Now, I will show you an experiment. Observe that carefully. For this experiment, first we have to take 4 clean cups, and then we have to pour equal amount of water in all cups. So, first we have to take 4 clean cups and then we have to pour equal amount of water in all cups. And now I am going to add different substances to these cups. So, now I am going to add different substances or things to these cups. Let's observe. First I am going to add some sugar to first cup. Can you see? Let's check what happened. Can you see what happened here? Yes, all the sugar gone. And in the next cup I am going to add some salt. We have to mix it well. What happened? All the salt gone. And in the next cup, I am going to add some oil. We have to mix it well. Then what happened? It does not dissolve in that water. Can you see the oil? The oil is just floating on the surface of the water. It does not dissolve in water. So, oil is a insoluble thing. Now, I am going to add some dal in the 4th cup. Let's observe what happened. What happens? What happened to that dal? Is it mixed? No, dal does not dissolve in the water. So it is also called insoluble thing. Now let's observe these 4 cups. In the first 2 cups, we cannot see anything. So the salt and sugar is soluble things because it dissolved in water, so it is called soluble things. And in the third cup, we can see some oil is floating on the surface of the water. So oil does not dissolve in water, so it is called insoluble thing. And in the fourth cup also we can see the dal sink into that water. So dal is also does not dissolve in water, so it is also a insoluble thing. So the substances dissolved in water are called soluble things, and the substances do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances or insoluble things. And the examples of soluble things are salt, sugar, baking soda, lemon juice, soap water. And the examples of insoluble things are oil, dal, flour, tea powder, sand. So, when some soluble and insoluble things mix or deposited in the water bodies, the water gets polluted, and it is very dangerous to human beings and different aquatic life. So that's all for today. We will see again in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.